Good morning. It is Thursday. This is our math lesson for today. This is the Google Classroom assignment, page 372, numbers 3 through 11. Okay, so here's what we're working on today is pyramids. So we're going to be looking at unfolding pyramids, which we in math call the net of a pyramid. So if you unfold the pyramid, for example, this pyramid right here, if you unfold it, you'll see that this is a square pyramid. So there's still a square in the bottom, but then there's going to be 4 triangles that surround it. So whenever you unfold a square pyramid shape. Okay, so, first example, it's a side 7 to have 7 is, which means 7, I have 29, 1 square. Okay, the next kind, they have a or that's how many do. The first thing you want to do when you have that is height times 30.5. So that right there, get my photo 8. So shape number 2 more help.